When it comes to home improvements, one of the most overlooked upgrades can also make the biggest difference in your day-to-day life, your garage door system. Welcome to Local Living. I'm Sean Strife, and joining me today are Carrie Kelsch, CEO and founder of A+ Garage Doors, and two of their very happy customers, Rick and Janelle Lyons. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Carrie, let's start with you. What are some of the benefits that homeowners are immediately going to notice when they install a new garage door motor?
I would say what I hear the most is it's so quiet. So that's the first thing that everyone says.
Always important, especially if you got little kids at home like I do. Janelle, what about you? What have been some of the first things you've noticed after getting a brand new garage door system installed?
It's wonderful, it's quiet and quick. Up and down quick.
And Rick, what about you? You have some favorite features about your new garage door system from A+?
Favorite feature, I think, is the camera. It shoots to the door so you can see when people come in, go out. Great security feature.
Love all of those answers. Carrie, for those watching who may need more than just a motor repair or service or a new one, what are other services that A+ offers?
So we repair all makes and models of garage doors, so we can replace all of your moving parts just to make it run smoothly, and we can also do a brand new door. So whatever you need, whether it's the motor, a repair, or a brand new door, we got you covered.
Janelle, can you tell me more about your actual experience day of the install and the guys that came out to help you?
Great, sure. Brandon and Craig were wonderful. They gave us a lot of information on how to use this new motor and everything that we can do with it, using our phone to open and close the garage door. Plus, they were so efficient. They were very professional. Any more?
Very social, and they would walk you through to do the hands-on. I mean, it was, if you had questions, they answered every question we had. Great pair.
Now, Carrie, for anyone who hasn't been a customer of A+ Garage Doors before, can you tell us about your Diamond Service Club membership and why it's such a great value?
Yeah, it is so fun. For just $9.99 a month, you get like priority scheduling, you get free lube and tunes once a year. Plus, one of my favorite features is everything you put into it, it goes back towards a discount of your new door. So it just accumulates and you get to use it on your new door.
It sounds like a great value. If anyone ever has any questions, be sure to come and talk to Rick and Janelle. They are big fans of A+ Garage. I'm Sean. Thank you so much for watching Local Living, and we'll see you next time.